Hello again. We're glad to see you back. Yesterday we explored curiosity. Today we're going to take a close look at our habits from the perspective of what we get out of them. Remember that automatic pilot idea we talked about earlier? Many times we do things without examining why we do them. What are the costs of our behavior and what do we actually get in return? So today we're going to take a close look at this in the context of smoking. Imagine that you're in the freezing cold snow in the middle of winter without a coat. Someone comes by and hands you a hot coal and says, "This'll warm you up." You eagerly grab onto it and take in that warmth. "Ah, finally I'm warm," you think. Someone comes by and mentions, "Your hand is on fire," but you ignore them because you're busy getting warm. You only realize what's going on when you've been burned. That's what a lot of life is like. We have a need like staying warm or not being stressed out, and the mechanism we choose, like holding on to a hot coal or smoking when we're stressed, gives us warmth, but the cost is getting burned. This seems crazy. There's got to be a better way. The funny thing is that when you really see what you get from holding this hot coal, you don't need to think about what to do. You see that your hand is burning and you just naturally drop it. The trick is to be curious and to see really clearly what we actually get out of our habits and what the cost is. How much is smoking actually burning us rather than keeping us warm? If we don't see that clearly, we won't know to drop it. On the flip side, what do we get when we practice mindfulness? What is it like when you practice the body scan regularly in the morning? What do you get from practicing it at night when you go to sleep? Is this a hot coal or a diamond? What do you get when you're curious about something? What's it like when you ride out a craving using rain? The more we can see clearly what a hot coal is and what a diamond is, the more we'll naturally drop the coal so we don't get burned, and we'll collect the diamonds. Today, just chew on these questions. Each time you smoke, really be curious and look at it carefully. Smoke mindfully and ask yourself, what do I get from this? What do you get from it? One thing is for sure, if you keep picking up and holding onto that coal, you'll keep the habit loop going. But what else do you get? What are the costs of smoking? And I'm not just talking about money in your pocket. And continue to build up your curiosity, both with curiosity practice, like we taught you yesterday, and when you're using rain to ride out your urges. Bring this playful curiosity to as many things as you can throughout the day as you explore the world. Good luck.